in this video tutorial, we're going to do some practice problems where we're working with moles. And so let's just get started. In this first one, you're asked to find how many atoms of sulfur there are in 227.3 grams of sulfur. So we need to go from grams to atoms. And so we're going to be using molecular weight and Avogadro's number to do this. What you want to do is start with what they've given you, which is 227.3 grams. And so you know that we need to get rid of grams, and you can do that by using the atomic weight of sulfur. And if you divide by that, that'd be 1 mole over 32.07 grams of sulfur. Grams cancel. And then now we need to get rid of moles. That is where you can use Avogadro's number. If you multiply by that, 6.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms over 1 mole. Moles cancel. And that gives you 4.27 times 10 to the 24 atoms of sulfur.